Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I want to discuss about screen flow in Salesforce. So in real time, right, while I was doing an admin activity, I got this scenario where we can use the screen flow. So let's understand what exactly is a screen flow and where we can use it and how we can use it. So basically, Salesforce is something like an declarative automation tool in Salesforce, and it allows us to create a flow in a way to interact with the users, and then based upon the user input, we can do further automations like creating record or updating or even submitting approvals or many other activities. So this is what you can do with the screen flow. And let's say what was the scenario that I have encountered recently that made me to use the screen flow. Okay, so basically we got a request from the sales ops guys saying that they need a shortcut so that they can create an account contact account for the customers and contact who would be the point of contact from the customers and cases if the customers are facing any issues they wanted to create a case behalf of the customer, so that can be routed to the service folks, and that should be done from anywhere in the Salesforce without navigating to that object. So let's say if we want to create an account, we are going to account object and then we are going to click on new account, and then we used to do that. And if you want to create a contact, the same thing applies. If you want to create a case, the same thing applies. So instead of doing that, right, so they asked us to simplify the process. So that is the place where we are in and how we need to do it. And I will show you how we need to do it. So let's click on new tab. Let's click on Trailhead as usual. So Trailhead is a place where you can learn the Salesforce. And then I'm gonna click on hands-on org. So I'm gonna launch this one, the real-time thing. It's a real-time admin org that we would be using. Now, the thing I was talking about is, let's say we are in the sales app, and if I want to create an account, I need to go here and then I need to click on new, and then I need to enter all these details. And in the similar way, I need to go to the contacts and click on new, and I need to enter all the details. In the same way, I need to go to cases and I need to create a case. So you need to navigate to the to its relevant object, and then only you need to create an account. So what if all these things are in a single place? So that is what we are going to do right now. And since we are in the org, right, let me go here, let me duplicate this one, and let me click on here, click on setup. So once I click on setup, I need to navigate to the flows. So as I said, right, screen flow is a tool that helps users to interact with the users, and then based upon their dynamic inputs we can do that. So let me create a new flow, and this would be we are going to do it screen flow. So in this flow, right, we are going to create an account. I mean, you're going to create a flow that will create an account. So basically, flow builder, right? Now what we are going to do is we're going to create a screen. So the label is account information, which is the label, and this is the API name that we are giving. And then what are the fields we need? First name, account name. So there is something called text field, and this should be account name, and this is required, and account name, and parent account, no need, account number, no need, phone, phone number is what we needed. And then what else? Account description maybe. So this is what we have done. Let's click on done. We are collecting the account information inputs, and then click on here, and then what we are going to do with that information is creating the records. We enter like create accounts, create an account. Okay, select it to manually, and account name is this, phone this, and description gonna be this. Let's create one account here so that we will understand. Account name, create. Okay, that's it. No much details is needed. Okay, if you want to avoid the duplicates, you can select this, and what you can do is you can select a common field, maybe an account name, value should be okay. If this is the value, then it won't allow, and then I'm going to click on save. This should be create an account from here, save. I'm activating this one. I'm just going to debug it just to make sure everything is working fine. Okay, account name, test account, phone, next. Okay, so basically you see we were able to create an account. So the phone number we got in a way as a different format. Let's edit that. Phone, phone address, checkbox, date, time, email, lookup, name, number, password, pick list, URL slider. I would say can add it as a text only. here. Let's remove this. Okay, I think I'll show it to you in the next flow, I would say. And we were able to create a record from here. So first requirement from the screen flow, we were able to achieve the account. Now we will try to create the similar thing for the contact. So let me go back here, create a new flow, and this flow should be from scratch. Now here we will be creating through contact information. So done. What are the details that we needed to create a contact? Contact, new, name. Okay, last name is important. What we can do here is text field, another text field for first name and last name. Then we need to map it to the account. So that should be lookup. And what are the other details do you think we can enter? Contact details, title, department also we can enter. Okay, instead of using first name and last name, I clicked on using this one directly. Um, okay, we will add an account there. Yes, okay. We have field called phone. Okay, that's it. Let's click on here. It will take the values. That is good. And name here, phone, true. Let's keep it as true. And for lookup, search for an account. Search account, field API name. So in contact, right? Account ID and label would be account ID, and the field is contact. I think that's it. Um, mm, mm, mm. Yeah, I think that's it. And from here on, create records. Now we are going to create contacts. Okay, from manually, we are going to create contact, and last name would be from name, last name. Account ID should be account ID. What else? First name should be, sorry, first name should be selected as first name, and phone should be selected as phone. Mobile phone should be selected as phone. Okay, I think that's it. You can maybe use last name equals last name. That's it. This will avoid the duplicates. Save, create a contact from here. Okay, let's activate. Let's debug this. Let's click on run. First name Salesforce, learner, account ID, create. You see, we were able to create the records successfully. And now this is the account. This is the one we have created. And now let's create a similar flow for the case object as well. Next, screen flow, and let's open any of the cases. This is the case. Details, we need to add contact and account for the lookup. What we can do here is show all data. Flow, we are going to create a flow here. Click on here, create case. Okay, shit. Screen flow, starting again. Screen, case. Okay, now the flow should be on lookup. And another one also lookup. One for account and one for contact. Contact email. phone, email, phone, email, and subject and description. Subject, description. For this, let me write it as description, subject, email, the user, mobile. This should be contact. Now from here, all data, contact ID, contact ID should be okay, contact. This is from case, required, true, and then account, count, done, create records, create a case. From here, manually, case, add fields, account ID, add fields, contact ID, and add fields, um, phone. Is it phone? Contact phone. Okay, let's add it for phone right now. What else? Subject description. UBJCT subject and description. Account ID, account ID, contact ID, contact ID. Here it is mobile value, subject, description, email address, case, email value. I think it's done. No need of duplicates. I have clicked on this one, create a case from here. Activate. I'm just testing it again. Clicked on here, close. Okay, but why? run. Okay, now you need to select account, you need to select contact, and then phone, email at mail.com. Next. So we were able to create a record, but there is one thing we have missed: contact. I think there should be a connection. Validate input. No. Record ID. Okay. Contact lookup. Mm, mm. Okay, let's put it like this. The video is also extending. So finally, we were able to create cases as well as contacts and accounts from the flow directly. Now, what we can do here is, since our requirement is to give the sales reps access in a way so that they can, so that they can pull, so that they can create account or contact or cases from anywhere, right? So let's assume this is a sales console app. Let me, um, these are flows. Let's send it. There is something called app manager, and we have something called sales edit, and I'm gonna click on navigation or utility items. This is different story, this is different story, and add a utility item flow. Yes, create account, create an account from here, save flow, create, um, contact from here, save, and then add utility item flow, create case from here. If you see, we have added them successfully, and this is sales app. If I refresh it, I got the option here. If you see, create account, create contact, create case. You can create account from here. Done. Account has been created. Contact, create. This is also done. Okay. If you see, accounts, we have created this one. Contacts, we have created this one. And for cases, we have created this one. So we were able to do all of this you know in at from one place. So this is how we can think and give sales reps access to create the records from one place. And I think that's it for this video, friends. And do let me know if you have any questions through the comment section. And I hope you learned something new about the Salesforce today. And yeah, until then, I will be creating new videos again. And until then, keep exploring Salesforce. And do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the video and my channel. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.